Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
Start by enabling Lossless in Apple Music so the source is correct. You must use an external digital to analog converter because AirPods Max cannot receive native lossless over Bluetooth. Once done, pick a USB-C or Lightning output that supports a LAC and connect it to a high-quality DAC. Make sure your AirPods Max firmware and the sending device are updated, otherwise you'll lose compatibility. You're setting the chain. Source settings first, then hardware readiness, then the physical connection. Now build the signal path. Plug your phone or Mac into the external DAC using the proper adapter, and then route the DAC's analog output into the AirPods Max using the official Lightning to 3.5 cable or the correct balanced cable. You want the DAC to decode a LAC and output a clean analog signal. Once connected, open Apple Music and confirm the player indicates lossless or high-res. If necessary, set the app's playback sample rate to match the file so you avoid resample. Finish by verifying you're hearing the difference. Lossless tracks will reveal tighter bass and finer high-frequency detail. If playback is intermittent, make sure cables are fully seated and the DAC has adequate power. A weak power source can drop signals. Once done, try a different cable or adapter to isolate faults. If issues persist, restart the source device, reconnect, and re-enable lossless in settings. This often clears handshake problems between Apple Music, the DAC, and your AirPods Max.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.